Did I hear somebody say this was a didgeridoo? That's correct. The didgeridoo comes from Australia. To play the didgeridoo, what you need to do is to make a sound like this. Maybe you can try that. Let's see what sort of a sound the didgeridoo makes when we make that sound. Did you hear it say didgeridoo? Maybe we can hear the didgeridoo bark like a dog. Let's have a listen. Did you hear the dog? I have a puppet here. This puppet is that's right, a kangaroo. Maybe we can hear the sound of a kangaroo hopping. Let's have a listen. Did you hear the kangaroo? Maybe we can hear the sound of a baby goat. Did you hear the baby goat? I have another puppet here. Let's see what it is. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's a kookaburra. Let's see if we can hear the sound of a kookaburra laughing. Did you hear the kookaburra? What was this instrument called? Was it a didgeridoo? Did it come from Australia? I'm wondering,